In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change your location on the YouTube mobile app. Changing your location can help you discover videos and recommendations that are more relevant to where you are currently located. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Then tap General. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see the location option. Just tap on it. Then scroll through this list, tap, and select your preferred location. This is exactly how you can change your location on the YouTube mobile app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.